tutorial. In this, we'll be learning how to configure Django REST framework and how to learn to make APIs using Django REST framework. So this is a very first tutorial on Django REST framework. So let me give you some glimpse on it. So basically, the Django REST framework is the framework inside the Django which deals with making the REST APIs and over the HTTP protocol. And so let's not wait time in talks and let's get started. So first of all, we need to create a Django project. For that, let's go to this and create a first virtual environment, python 3 hyphen env. Right, so this will create my python virtual environment, and after this I need to activate that. So this can be done like this, and then I need to install Django in this pip install Django, and then it will install Django for me. So let's get this done. After this, we need to create a Django project. So for creating Django project, as we all know, we have a command which is known as uh, Django admin start project. Django hyphen admin. Make sure your VNV is activated. Django admin start project, and a project name. Suppose uh, mm, so we'll be creating a to-do application which will be exposing REST APIs to-do list. So let's name as to-do app, to-do project, right? So we have created this, and now if you see, this project is created over there. And now if you go to editor, you'll see that we have this Django project over here, as you all know. But so, and we also need to have the app which will be holding the APIs for our to-do app, right? For this, we need to create app inside this. Let's first go to inside this project and write Python start manage.py start app, and the app name which is API. Okay. Now this will create an API folder for us. If you see inside the project navigator, you'll see then API app is also created. And now to make the REST APIs, we need to have Django REST framework installed. So for that, we need to run this command pip install Django REST framework, right? So this will install Django REST framework for us. Cool. Now Django REST framework is installed and our app is installed. So that means we have basic requirements fulfilled. Now I now we need to move to our next video for learning how to configure these two apps so that we can start using the Django REST framework. Thank you guys and keep watching.